Okay, hello guys. Welcome to episode 3. So, I did do a lot in the video. As you can see, I cleared all these stages. Yeah. I got an Uber. I also unlocked on a Toto. Nice and on a 6-hour mission. As you can see, I have all these, basically all the little cats, all these super rares, and an Uber rare. As you can see right here, the AAN Wanderer or the NNN Wanderer. This one just gets color. Yeah, he's pretty nice. This thing can be a very long video, guys. So yeah, let me just use a flag. Okay, NASA. And boom. Las Vegas. I mean, I'm gonna meet Teacher Bear here. So yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. As you can see, Teacher Bear should be spawning. Yeah, see? Right there. Well, the Rhino didn't get a chance to spawn. The 45th stage. Yep. Oh yeah, as you haven't seen, I've had a couple new enemies. I have the Kangaroo, Laboyne, and Moof as my newest enemies, and Teacher Bear. But the one that you guys haven't seen. Yeah, the moose right there. Okay. See that? Every single power up. As you can see, I am also clear. Well, you can't see, but I am. Okay, guys, time for the moon. Okay. Yo, guys, ready? The moon. I already know it's obviously what's in this. But yeah. The okay. See, because when you don't have enough money to buy a cat, you'll save up for the more expensive cat that's stronger. So as you can see, when that does happen, and something is clicked, that means I'm clicking it. That was easier than normal, probably because I don't have a good Uber. As you can see, it's gonna do this. I'll skip it. Here, I'll pause the video for you guys so you guys. Okay, guys, this ain't actually the end. We have like a bunch more chapters after this. There's 12 chapters in total. We have 11 more chapters. Stories of Legends, A New Adventure, Battle Formations, Cat Combos, Clear Bonus, Maniko, Autodo Corps, build and enhance your cat base and its cat cannon abilities. Clear Bonus Catman stages are unlocked to use leftover Catmans. Improve stage Nagavate. See, I unlocked that. And yeah. I also get free rare tickets. I also get like 1,000,000 XP or something. No, I get 50 caffeine. Yeah, there. So I was thinking of the wrong thing. That's when I get all the treasures. See, Omega EVA's on. So yeah. I got the best Uber out of the entire set. I got the best Uber out of this entire set, bro. Bro, best Uber out of this entire set, guys. This is crazy. Crazy. Best super out the entire set. That's crazy. Please be something. Please be super rare. Please be a super rare. Because I really need the XP. No. Guys, should I? Should I do? Yeah, I will. Really dumb. I'm probably not gonna get super rare. Oh, nice. Lonely girl searching for her place. The growing sorrow within calls her to embrace the curse within. Long range area surge attacks will 100% curse. See, cursing is really good. So now I should be able to just go boop. Yeah, well, this is the end of the video, guys. See ya later. Peace out.